Understanding to the throat in English. Hello, language explorers. Today we're going to dive into the phrase, to the throat. It's a phrase you might have come across in movies, books, or even everyday conversation. Let's unravel its meaning and how you can use it to enhance your English. To the throat often refers to something related to the physical throat. It could imply a physical action or sensation, such as grabbing someone to the throat, or feeling a lump in the throat. It's about the immediate area of the neck. Metaphorically, to the throat can indicate directness or intensity. For example, going straight to the throat can mean approaching a problem with no hesitation. It's bold, it's direct, and it's about tackling something head-on. There are several expressions where the throat is mentioned. Cutthroat refers to fierce competition where participants can be ruthless. Throat singing is a type of singing involving distinct guttural sounds. Understanding these can enrich your vocabulary. Let's see it in a sentence. The negotiations between the companies were cutthroat. This implies that the negotiations were very competitive and intense. Notice the context is crucial for understanding. That's a wrap on the phrase, to the throat. Remember, the key is context. Whether it's literal or figurative, understanding the phrase within the conversation will clarify its meaning. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.